Alright guys, so in this video I will show you how to do when your computer is running out of space. Before you download any cleaner software, let me show you how to safely clean your computer using only built-in Windows tools, and it is completely free and won't cause any harm to your computer. So we are going to talk about three methods. The first method is the disk cleanup. So you head on to your start menu and search disk cleanup. You run it, and when it opens, you check all the boxes, especially temporary files and recycle bin. This can free up gigabytes of space instantly. So let's check all the boxes. And you click on OK. You wait for a while for the process to finish. Alright, so we are done with the first step. We move on to the second method, which is the storage sense. So we will go to settings. You click on system, and you click on storage, and you turn on storage sense. This automatically cleans temporary files and empties your recycle bin regularly. So when you are done, you close and you move on to the third method, which is the browser cache. Someone will be wondering what the browser cache does. Okay, so it is a temporary memory in the browser that stores images and other elements like CSS and JavaScript files. So let me give you an example. When you visit a website or a site, the images alongside with other elements like the CSS and JavaScript files are automatically downloaded to your computer and saved in the browser cache. The primary benefit is that subsequent visit to the website will load faster because the images and the files are already on the computer. But in this case, we are running out of space, so we have to clear all those things off so that we will get enough space. So this method that we are about to work on only works for Chrome, Edge, and Brave browsers. So in Chrome, you click on Control plus Shift plus Delete. Control Shift Delete, and you click on the more. You select all time and you check catch images and files. I've checked it already, and you click on delete data. This free up space and can speed up browsing. So when you are done, you check your storage and you should see significant space recovered. If this helped, subscribe for more simple fixes. I'm Ben, and this is Ben in the Machine. See you in my next video.